Right, I've got the little screw machined. What I need to do now, I need to machine a slot across that face so I can put something like a penny or a 2p piece in to tighten it up into the camera. There's a few ways I could do it. I could do it with a hacksaw and a vise, a small file. I could do it in a milling machine. What I intend doing, I'm going to take the chuck off and put the chuck on the divider that I made and use that to put the slot in. Couple of T-bolts in there, or T-nuts rather. Okay, it's on its little dowels quite nicely. I've got two T-bolts up, two T-nuts up. I'm really only using this because I've got it and it's I thought I'd play with it a little bit. I'll clamp it down with the two T-bolts at the back, but I'll have to use the tool post bolt to hold it down at the front. Not a great problem. Just turn that into the centre, more or less. Oh yeah, bastard. That'll do the job. Packing piece under there, never throw bits of material away, I always keep them in a box just for packing. Some old bearing races I got from work, they're ideal for this sort of thing. The first time I've done this, what I'll do, I'll put all the bits that hold it down in one place and I know I've got them. It's going to be a little bit of pain in the arse. What I need is a nut to fit there. I've got one somewhere but I don't know where it is. Turn the spanner. Loosen that off. There you go. Bastard. Couple of 13 mils that got on there. Back where it lives. It can go anywhere, it doesn't make any difference. Right, so that's all clamped down. We can turn it, we can index it, we can actually put some holes in whatever we really want to do. We don't want to. Make sure we're just as clear on the end here. And it will leave the job in the chuck, take the chuck off. Shouldn't be that tight. Chuck comes off there. Under there. I've done that for a while. Right, chuck's nipped up. So now we can put a drill chuck or something in there, put our milling cutter in and cut our slot. Oh, weak in that. Use a collet chuck, it's not accurate. Got an 8th end mill, use that. Right, the thing with doing this is, I know for a fact that that cutter is dead on centre height with the job, because the casting was bored on the lathe, it's got to be in line. What we'll do, we'll set the lathe up running as fast as it can, obviously with a small cutter. The smaller the cutter, the faster the run. We'll start the lathe up. I've got this spindle locked. Just gently work it back and forward. Obviously I've got to put the cut on with the carriage. Just taking what time was that? That middle cutter really wants to snap. Put the coolant on. Just reaches. That makes a massive difference. You can hear it, I can feel it cutting a lot better. A decent depth moving here. And we're just about there. Like I say, there's several ways I could have done this. I just wanted to play with it. Your next head really. Right, well, a little screw goes through there. I'll put an O-ring on there. I've done a little countersink so the O-ring will drop into the groove, just to stop the screw from falling out. Job done. We've got a slot for our £2 coin. Use that to tighten the camera with. Now that that's done, I'll find the other one straight away, I would imagine. That's the first time I've used a dividing head for something. I didn't need to use it, but you've got to admit it's made a nice job. It was easy to set up. I wasn't setting up at all. Got to be on centre height.